It is Wednesday, August 14th maybe. Daddy and Bandit are on the Yellow Trail. We just reached the summit of Angry's Hill. The highest peak in New York City's Adirondack Park, which looms above Duckweed Pond at its base. It's really a steep slope, given, you don't have the super big mountain building activities here. Just a little knob of serpentine and some glacial till. Bandit's been doing great. We had a little walk at the beach the other day and he was off leash, right? Yeah. Did really good. And we went for a swim in the ocean. That was your first swim in the ocean, right, buddy? Just had a huge downpour. It's been raining. Massive low pressure system right on top of my head, which isn't good. So I had to take an oxycodone and some cannabis to be able to make it here today. But I've been having this dream of going up and to the Adirondacks in the fall for fall color like I used to love to. And climb Mount Marcy with Bandit. Right, Bandit? You want to climb Mount Marcy? Bandit is ready. Bandit is a go for climbing Mount Marcy. But I think that I would certainly need a lot of support to be able to get up to the top of Mount Marcy. It's been over 30 years since I did that. If I could do a trip like that, with that much elevation and it goes well with him, it'd be amazing. It would be 30-something years since I was in the Adirondacks. All right, we're heading over to Geishas Hill now, right, Bandit? Bandit loves going to the woods. It's Bandit in the woods. Little Bandit in the woods. This section of forest has such a nice understory of spice bush that I think that this is where I may come along the trail with my F1 seedlings of the yellow fruited spice bush and just sort of add them to the genetical mix here and see if someday down the road they don't find some yellow fruited spice bushes over here. It'd be nice. This forest is incredibly refreshed by all the rain. So many mushrooms to be seen. We're hoping for our chicken of the woods. I found some chanterelles, just two very small ones, near Orback Lake last week, and that was very exciting. So I used to help pay my tuition by collecting chanterelles and in the oak forests in the hills above Berkeley and sell them to La Chez Panisse restaurant for $35 a pound. But I kept a lot for myself. And that is a beautiful, beautiful tasting mushroom. All right, There's the little man. Look at him go. I was going to have him off leash here today, but I kind of chickened out about it. If he runs off into the forest after a deer or a rabbit or something, I want to make sure that he's chipped. His chip is transferred over. All right, we're going up Geishas Hill. We're doing it. We're going up. Oh no, he's running. Is he gonna run up the hill? Is he running up the hill? Look at him go. Look at Bandit go. Keep going. We're almost to the top. We're almost to the top. Yes, we did it. We did it, Bandit. We made it to the top. Oh my God. This is Geishas Hill. Just that little hike from the car took it out of me, so who knows if Lake Placid is in our future. But it would be a beautiful dream, that's for sure. Geishas Hill. And that's Geishas' grave. The Diopterus salsa have grown in nicely and the violets are still there. I have a nice tray of pinkster blooms I want to bring up here, and Olmsted rhododendron maximum. Let's just go this way right here, buddy. The little pup. The little puppy. He knows we always have to stop at Geishas' grave. Come here, you. Stay right here. Geishas' grave. The woods are very mosquito-y. See you on the up loop.